Welcome to PrometAI. Let's explore how you can easily set your founder's roles and responsibilities. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the Founders section in the entrepreneur's journey. Then, select Roles and Responsibilities from the top toolbar. Here, you'll see the Founders team. In this part, you can add each founder's photo to make everything feel more personal. First, assign primary owners and supporters for each function by clicking Regenerate Ownership Mapping. The table shows how roles are divided based on the core skills input. Next, go to Roles and Responsibilities to finalize them for each founder. Click Regenerate, and PrometAI will suggest the best roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities easily assigned with PrometAI.